Hey folks, today I'm going to make a Hot Logic meal. I'm using the family size Hot Logic vessel here and some very simple ingredients that really just need to be warmed up. So let me show you a little bit about this Hot Logic. A lot of people use the Hot Logic Mini, and we do too, but today I'm using the family size Hot Logic. It holds a 9 by 13 Pyrex dish. Or you could put smaller individual dishes in here too. So we're going to build our meal into this glass dish. And if you're not familiar with the Hot Logic, you'll see that it has a warming tray inside the insulated case. And then you can plug this in and warm your meal up to 165 degrees, one temperature, all day long or for a couple hours. But for now I'm going to show you how to build this recipe, and we'll put it right in our Hot Logic for our supper later today. Here are the very simple ingredients. I'm going to use a bag of baby spinach. This is washed and ready to use, nice fresh spinach. I'm going to use a pack of already peeled garlic, and this is organic garlic. I have about 12 cloves in here. I have 2 cans of whole fresh cut potatoes from Del Monte. These are already cooked. Because I'm using all ingredients that are already cooked, I'm taking this shortcut today. Otherwise you could use your own potatoes, cook it longer than I'm planning to. I'm using a can of cannellini beans. These are one of the most nutritious beans that I know of. I'm going to use a little bit of water, a little salt and pepper, but the key ingredient here is something you might not think of using very often. It's turkey wings. These are smoked, so they're already cooked. So we really just need to warm them up and let the juices flow into the other ingredients here while it's cooking. It's a pretty economical meal too. This is almost 2 pounds of meat. It's $8.12, and we get a lot of benefits by the other ingredients we're putting together here. So let's start building it. I'm going to open the cans and drain the liquid out. Okay, the first step here, I'm going to take these 2 cans of potatoes that have been drained, and I'm going to spread them across the bottom of the baking dish. If you find that any of your potatoes are bigger than normal here, just cut them in half. So they're all pretty much the same size. Alright, the next step is we're going to take the spinach and spread it across the bottom. You can use all of it or some of it. I'm going to use all of it because spinach really shrinks down as it cooks. Alright, now I'm going to take the garlic cloves, and these are also ready to use. I'm just going to spread them through, get some in all the different pockets. Then I have the cannellini beans. I'm just going to spread them out also. Make everything pretty even. Next, the beautiful turkey wings. Alright, now these have a very nice smokiness to them. Okay, there's 3 pieces to a turkey wing. This is the winglet. It's the actual tip of the wing. Not as much meat on this, but you can see there is a nice amount. The next piece is the wing itself, and that has most of the meat. It's probably what most people are familiar with, and it's very delicious and tender. It's very tasty. And then this is actually the drumstick of the wing. And somewhere people call it a drumlet, but it's also the drumstick, which is the part that is closest to the bird. Alright, let's just put the pepper. You can add a little salt if you like. I don't use too much here. I'm going to pour half a cup of water on here. I don't want to use too much water because the spinach and the potatoes will give off some liquid, and I don't want this to be too much like soup. I just want it to be a nice wing meal. Alright, we're going to put the Pyrex dish cover on. Sit it on the warming tray. And we're going to cook it for about 4 hours to get the spinach to break down, and also to get the juices from the turkey wings to spread into the beans and the potatoes. And I'll be back in about 4 hours and I'll show you the results. Alright, it's about dinner time, so let's open up the Hot Logic and get ready to eat. Alright, take a peek. Oh, look at that. The steam's rising. Look how delicious that looks. I'll put some of the extra pieces here on the plate. And we'll move over. Now, all of the pieces of turkey came out nice. So this is the type of thing that you can take a piece like this to the table and spend some time picking at it. Now we have some nice broth that was formed in the process here. So we're going to take all the extra juices and put them over top. Wow, isn't that a nice Hot Logic meal? You can try this one very easily because all of these components don't need to be cooked for a very long time. They just need to be heated through and through. So give that a try in your Hot Logic, and if you want to make a smaller version, use your Hot Logic Mini and enjoy your supper. Thanks for watching.